everyone. Cut.
Wish I could get through to you, don't know what to do to you.
Hi everyone, this is Princessfaith. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be showing you how to moisturize and wash your 4C or coarse textured hair while it's in a protective style. This technique can be applied to braids or faux locks like you see here today. I usually keep my faux locks in for about 3 months. Like some of you guys know I'm a Philly protective hairstylist. Protective hairstylist. I am a protective hairstylist located in Philly. Whatever, scratch that. But my locks are a mixture of human and synthetic hair. With proper care and maintenance, this is the type of protective style that can last you months, really. If they are done with human hair, you can do them for 4 to 5 months. If not, I would say like 3 months. You don't want to keep synthetic hair for any longer than that, to be honest with you. But that's besides the point. The point here is we're going to show you how to wash your hair and how to moisturize your hair while it's in a protective style, such as faux locks or braids. So stay tuned and yeah, without further ado, let's go. These are the products that I'm going to be using for my wash process. I have my spray bottle, conditioner, grapeseed oil, leave-in, and my root comb applicator, including my shampoo. I know some of my clients have been wanting a video like this, so I'm so excited to record myself washing my hair. The first step I'm going to be taking is to spray my scalp with warm water. That is what's in the spray bottle, just plain warm water. Make sure you have 2 towels, by the way, because you're gonna need one on your shoulders and you're gonna need one on the standby as well, because you know one of the towels are gonna get drenching wet. So here I am parting my hair into 2 sections, still spraying some spots that need some, they need some water. But you want to make sure you part your hair. Now I'm going to be using my root comb applicator bottle. I love this bottle, especially if you have braids or locks. This is your go-to, girl. You're going to pop your shampoo into that baby and, wash your scalp with it. And it just does the job for you. I'm a firm believer in massaging my scalp to get the blood flowing. And that's what the root at the ends of this bottle does. So I'm just slowing this part down a bit so y'all can see how I am, kind of massaging my hair and washing it at the same time. So it does both for you, really. And I think I measured about 20 milliliters. I don't know how to pronounce that, John. I think that's what I measured for my shampoo process. So you don't really need to worry about wasting product. And if you're the type where you're like, okay, I don't want to have to dump this product back into my shampoo bottle, then keep it at 20 ml. This is my hair rinsed out. I didn't really show y'all that part, but I'll show it in a later part of this video. I'm basically going to do the same thing for the conditioning method, but I'm just showing y'all how I pour it into the bottle. I think I still use the same amount, 20 ml of that bottle. And yeah, 20 ml. I was right. So again, I'm parting my hair into 2 sections. Don't feel scared or feel like you have to do it the way I'm doing it. You can part it into any sections that you want. Whatever works for you is great, as long as you're following the baseline method, which is to part your hair. And now I'm still massaging my hair with the conditioner. For me, I'm going to leave it in for about 30 minutes before I rinse it out. And now, when I rinse out my hair, I'm more so focusing on letting the water touch my scalp. And again, I'm rinsing my hair out with warm water. We're still in the process of opening up our cuticles. When it comes to the shampoo and conditioning process for 4C hair, I recommend warm or lukewarm water, whatever you want to do. I like warm water. And yeah, I focus more on making sure the water is touching my scalp. You don't really need to wet your locks unless maybe your locks were starting to have a funny smell. Mine's weren't, so that's why I'm mostly focusing on running the water through my scalp. But regardless of whatever I'm doing, some water is still gonna touch my locks. It's just not gonna be as drenching wet as it would be if I was to wet the whole thing all together. But yeah, like I said, I'm using my sink and it's kind of shallow, so I have to squeeze the excess water out. Some people like to do this in a shower. I ain't about all that. I don't got time for that. But here we are again. When it comes to me, when it comes to drying my locks, I make sure I'm patting it with a towel. I don't really need to do anything else besides this. That's why I said you might need 2 towels, because I still like to put my towel, a dry towel on my shoulder whenever I'm moisturizing my hair. I don't even think I did that here, but make sure you are using a towel to dry your hair. Back at it again with the root comb applicator bottles. I am done rinsing my hair out, and now it is time to lock in moisture. I am using my grapeseed oil, my leave-in conditioner by Main Choice, and there we go. I did, I think, half a milliliter, half 20 of I don't even know how to pronounce this thing at this point, but I did half of 20, and that ended up not being enough, so I ended up putting more. So altogether, I still use 20 ml of the products mixed together. Normally, I would do the LOC method, but this time around, I just joined them all together because I'm going to put it on my scalp anyways. And what I do afterwards is massage my scalp. Like, that is so important. Like, yes, the bottle's great, but I love to do the finishing touching with my hand. And here I am, trying to grow my hair, and I'm using my wild growth oil on my scalp, still doing the same thing, massaging my scalp with my hands. Now my faux locks are still kind of like dripping wet. What I'm doing is tying it around with a towel. Y'all can do this as well. It don't take that long to dry, to be honest, but yeah, I'm just wrapping it up, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this tutorial helps you out. And wait, can you put your notification bell on for me, please? Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.